In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move photos to iCloud storage on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then tap right here at the very top at your name. Then get into iCloud. And that's where we can easily find photos. First of all, we need to turn on the option which is called Sync this iPhone. Just tap at this toggle to enable it, and then you will be able to select one of two options here: optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals. If you want to free up some space on your device, you can select the first option, like in my case. So if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device-sized versions. Please note that in this case, full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud anytime. After that option turned on, iPhone will start backing up your photos to the iCloud. Please know that it can take some time, depends on how much photos and videos you have at your device.